What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today, my friends. So today, my friends, we're going to go through the weekly recap. It was an 80% win rate with the Fibonacci. You can see some big gains over $7,000 for the week, guys. And I'm going to walk you through everything step by step. And I really want to show you the power of the Fibonacci because it's changed my life. And I really think, guys, if you implement this in your trading, it can greatly help you. All right. So if you're ready, let's step into the war zone. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at every day of this week, and we're going to walk through it together step by step, and we're going to go ahead and hit the replays, okay? So the first thing that I'm going to do here, guys, is I'm going to start off with Friday. So as you guys know, Friday is one of the most important trading days for us because on Friday, we have a lot of volatility. And as a day trader, you really want to trade when there's volatility because that ensures that in a short amount of time, you can make a lot of gains, okay? So let's start off here on Friday. So the key here, guys, is you always want to wait at least 10 to 15 minutes to determine the market sentiment. So what is the direction that the market wants to go? All right, that's the question that you need to ask yourself when you're taking these trades. So here we go. So here's the first 15 minutes right here, guys. So this is pretty obvious, right? Obviously, looking at this here, we have a high, we have a low, we have three red candles. The market has gone to the downside. So we obviously are looking for a short. So how do we do that? Well, we don't want to short at the low right here. We don't want to do that because this is going to be a poor risk to reward. This is going to be where we're going to end up chasing. And if we lose, if we short down here and we buy puts, for example, and it rips right back up, guys, we can blow up our account. So we don't want to do that. That's why we use the Fibonacci. So we take a Fibonacci from high to low like this. And we're going to click on the basic setting here. And we're going to look at the 618. The 618 is essentially getting a 61.8% discount a deal. And that's what we want. We want to make sure we get a good deal when we take these trades. Okay, so here we go. So I'm going to walk into the Discord, and I'm also going to show you that we have a Fibonacci bot that I use to help me call when we enter and when we take targets. So it's very mechanical, and we're looking for one good trade a day. Okay, so here we go. So in the morning at 10:04, we had the charts drawn up, and we got filled short at 10:05. We hit the targets 10:09, 10:09, and then 10:41 was our final big home run target. So let me walk you through that. So you could see here we made a new low. So we just go ahead and move our anchor down. And now we're looking for the 618 pullback. Hasn't come yet. So again, we move our anchor down. Okay, here we go. Now we start to pull back. All right. Still no fill. Move their anchor down again. And then finally here, guys, on this candle, boom. So this is the fill short. So 10:05, going back to the Discord, you can see the fill right here, 10:05. So we're in short, guys. And we have our short waiting on the level. Okay, I'm just waiting there. As soon as it touches, I'm short, and then bang, 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 into a new low. Okay, so that was a really nice winner. You could see there was a little bit of heat on the trade, but that's why we have the stop loss at the swing high for protection. So that was Friday. Our goal is to take this short right here, bring it down, guys, get into a new low, and we're out. Again, we don't want to chase. And you can see right here, guys, I put in a voice note. I'm doing a lot of voice in the Discord to help make sure everybody's on the same page, okay? All right, so now let's go ahead to Thursday. All right, and I'm just going to make this a little bit smaller so we can see. All right, so that's Friday. Here's Thursday. Okay, so Thursday here, guys, I have the broker statement. So we ended up going short at 10:48. That's why it says sold. We're using the MES, which is the micro futures contracts. You can use puts. You can use anything you want in the short direction. You can use the inverse ETF. There's many ways to do it. I like using futures because of no PDT and no DK. There's a full guide in the link below if you're interested on futures trading. And you can see here, short 10:48, covered at 12:16. So $1,687.60, about $13 in commissions. And what the goal is, guys, is this is the goal. We want to turn over the capital very quickly. We don't want to wait for the to put ourselves at risk. Risk is holding with uncertainty. But if we can turn over our capital in 2 hours, we can go to cash and wait for something that is in our favor rather than hoping and praying that the market goes in our direction. That is so important, okay? So I'm going to hit this right here. All right, guys, so let's go back here now and let's go through this. So you can see the short we entered was at 10:48. So in the first 15 minutes on Thursday, we don't have a clear direction. So we just wait. Okay, now we start to have this clear direction. So again, we're going to take our Fibonacci now from high to low like this, and we're going to wait for that 618 right in this zone here. We want the 61.8% discount. Okay, and if we make a new lower, just bring it down. That's totally fine. Now we start to pull back. It doesn't touch a 618. So what do? Move the anchor down. If we're not going to get that 62% discount, then I don't want to take the trade. And then finally, we get filled here short. You could see, guys, almost hitting the stop loss, but that's why it's very important to have a good stop loss. 1048, there's the short. Let me hop into the Discord and just show you guys the live alerts. So again, so 1048, filled short, had it drawn up step by step, and then we hit the target at 1106 and 1115. All right, so here we go. Bang, 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 boom. So this is what I want to see, guys. Even in the beginning, if you take a little bit of heat and it starts off negative, they have the stop loss for protection. This particular trade was 4.2 times my risk. Okay, so if I'm going for a 3-to-1 risk to reward, I only need a 24% win rate. If I'm going for a 2-to-1 risk to reward, I only need a 34% win rate. And with a 4-to-1, guys, which I got on this trade, I only need a 16% win rate to make money. So that's where the math and the Fibonacci combine to make this harmonic and beautiful style of trading. Okay, let's continue now. And then here we go, guys. On Wednesday, same thing. In this case, I only went for a 3-to-1 risk to reward. I made $1,212, and we could see the same thing short in the morning here, guys. Got the pullback to the 618 right there, and then into a new low. So this one did go for a little bit more profits, but I ended up going for a 3-to-1 risk to reward only. And then I'll show you again in the Discord, the live callouts right here. Filled short, target hit. Here is my voice note. Everybody with the support. Bang, bang, target, target. Okay. So the only day we lost on the Fibonacci this week was on Tuesday. So you could see here, guys, we tried to go long over here and tried to short in the morning, and both sides we got stopped out. So did not win. We only took that first trade, ended up losing, and we just walked away. And then on Monday here, we did not get a setup. We waited for the first little push here, and after this big green candle, we tried to go in the opposite direction, looking for low to high, but we could never get the 618 fill. Okay, so never was able to get that fill. And on Mondays, we like to be a little bit more cautious because a lot of the times the market is full of traps. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday are my most profitable days, and I really, really love trading those days. Okay. All right, guys, so that's the recap for the week. It was about an 80% win rate. Extremely grateful for that. Next week, I'm expecting huge volatility. I think this volatility is going to go all the way through November. So while it's volatile, guys, let's make the most money possible, all right? Because when it's slow, you're going to get hurt. You're going to get paper cuts. But when the time comes to make the money, we need to make the money at all costs. So what I made this week, guys, it made my whole month, all right? These 3 trades that I just showed you with profit, $7,000 week, that single week will pay for the whole month of trading. If you trade with a proper risk to reward, that's how you survive. You have a good week, which you make a lot of money, and that'll protect you. So I'm really looking forward to November, and I want to crush the rest of this year. So I want to point this out, guys. So I am giving back some of my gains to the community. So I did a giveaway for $50 for October. I'm going to do another one for November. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit the like. That's how you're going to be eligible for the giveaway. All right. So Delfino is the winner for the giveaway, this $50 this month. So please email me, brother. I already put it in the comment section on the YouTube. So make sure you guys are subscribed. And if you guys want some extra perks and you want to be involved in the pool, there's going to be multiple pools of giveaways. Just join the Trading Wars Army, guys. It's $4.99 a month. Hit the join button below. It has exclusive picks every single day, exclusive seminars. I really think it's good value for $4.99. And as you guys know, we're gonna be giving back something. Anytime I have a great week, I give back some gains. That's very important to me. If you give, you will receive. Always remember that. And guys, I'm gonna do a special promotion, tradingwars.com. This is my Fibonacci book, where it has every single thing that I talked about in detail. And normally it comes with 1 month for free in the Discord. I'm going to do a special 48-hour deal for the rest of the weekend. You'll get 2 months. Check me out, tradingwars.com. Click on the Fibonacci section, or you can check out the Fibonacci Society, which is a lifetime access for more swing trade-based Fibonacci. Okay. Thank you so much for your time, guys. Really appreciate it. Comment, like, subscribe. More giveaways to come. and just really love the Fibonacci. It's my life's work, and we're going to continue to go all the way through with this, guys. Whether we win or lose, this is the journey, and you have to enjoy the journey in order to make the money. It doesn't come without hard work. All right, I hope to see you guys in the Discord. I really hope you guys love what the content we're doing, and have a great weekend. Thank you so much for your time. Take care.